Google's new Pixel 9 Pro Fold isn't your average smartphone, it's a game changer. The unique folding design revolutionizes how you interact with your phone and Android. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold hardware is impressive, but it's the software that truly elevates the experience. Google has crafted innovative ways to maximize the phone's form, resulting in some remarkable hidden tricks. Here are 5 such treasures worth unearthing. Smarter Auto Rotate. Tired of your phone screen rotating at the slightest tilt? The Pixel 9 Pro Fold offers a solution. You can enable Auto Rotate exclusively for the unfolded inner screen, preventing those frustrating accidental rotations when using the outer display. The Taskbar Toggle. The Pixel Fold's taskbar is a multitasking marvel. It lets you seamlessly switch between apps and utilize Android's split-screen capabilities. You can even make the taskbar permanently visible, just like on a desktop computer. Faster fingerprinting. Both the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and Pixel Tablet feature a fingerprint sensor within the power button. This placement allows for instant unlocking without needing to wake the screen first. It's incredibly convenient, especially on the Fold, as you can unlock it while pulling it out of your pocket. Adjusted apps. The Pixel 9 Pro Fold's extra screen space is a productivity boon. However, some apps may need to be optimized for larger displays. Google provides a way to manually adjust any app's aspect ratio, ensuring it looks and functions perfectly on the Fold's full screen. The Note Slide. This hidden gem resides within the Google Keep app. When using Keep on the Fold's inner screen or any tablet-like device, you can now resize the note list and note viewing areas by dragging the divider between them. It's a small but incredibly useful feature that enhances productivity. These tricks, combined with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold's unique form factor, create an unparalleled Android experience. With devices like these and these hidden gems at your disposal, you'll navigate your phone like a pro and unlock its full potential.